here, this is full insulated fish box, but we can also put cold plate in here, that kind of thing, to make it refrigerated, which we do very often. And then we got sink. Raw water or cold water, wash out fresh water. And plenty of space back here.
We were fishing down in the Keys earlier this week, and I tell you, this extra room is bank.
And these seats flip up fishing, whatever. You know, back here, nice back seating. Just look at what's going on with the rods. If you are fishing, just kind of enjoy the scenery as you pass by.
Yeah. I'm gonna take a picture of that. Okay. Wow.
Thank you for coming aboard. It's been a pleasure. Good luck with your open house.
Real teak deck here.
Yeah, I noticed that you got the teak back there too.
That's made in house too. And beautiful, like teak back chairs, these chairs.
It's a great magazine.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
And just look at these displays. I mean, it's great. Just
A dream come true. Can we check out the Midship?
yeah, please. So, Mike, there's a little grab rail here.
Yep.
So it's kind of steep going down there. Just be careful. Go ahead.
Yeah.
You know, yes, of course, this is like a queen sleeper here too.
Yep.
That's got a fill in it. Behind you, you got like a little. Yeah, that's a stand-up shower and head. That's all real teak on the sole. You know, all the trim and stuff.
Nice little kitchenette area.
Yep. Got a little microwave over here. I don't know if this one's got a TV in it, but sometimes put a TV forward. Yeah, there is a
TV right there. It's beautiful.
Nice finish, a little non-skid like that, you know, on the finish of the steps there. But
Need your fuse box back there.
yeah.
Go forward here.
We have that nice big side. That's a lot of natural light.
Wow. I mean, this separates you guys from what you've done before.
Yes.
This is a
Nice
significant
windows on
jump.
both sides of the cabin. That's a lot of natural lighting, which is great.
Yep.
And this also flips up, so if somebody wants to use this kind of as like a chair,
Yeah.
that back comes up and that acts as a seat back with this part.
Okay.
And you can sit on that like a chair.
That's awesome. You got plenty of room to fish up here too.
Yep. And this
Nice.
platform, you know, you can stand on that platform. When this gets lower, you know, that sits on cleats and tables.
Is it hydraulic? Got the switch?
This one, I think this one might be hydraulic. No, I'm not sure.
There's
That's
a
an
switch
option.
right there.
Yeah, that might be. Might not be
Okay.
on either, but that is an option. You can also do this table and tees, of course.
That'd be nice.
That's a couple. You have charging station.
Rod holders. Oh my goodness. I'm just. This would be something that I would be on every day. You got it powered?
There's another refrigerator here.
Okay. This is powered with triple 600s?
This one has triple 400.
400s on it?
But we've also done triple Yamaha 450s.
Okay.
So there's a couple of different.
It's important to note that that's a sliding door on the side.
This is just like a a deck hatch where you can use this as a live, not a live well, but you can use it to put bait in and fish. They're all insulated coolers. There's 2 on each side there too.
Oh yeah.
And this is just this is like a tuner door here. So
Yep.
it opens up, but you can notice like the signature like heavy duty hardware that we have and everything on. The boat's pretty bulletproof now. And it's a barefoot boat. If you want to walk around in this boat with no shoes on, there's nothing to cut your feet on, nothing to hang yourself up.
So you could. Did you guys already put out a press release about this boat?
Yeah. Other social media at this show.
Okay.